Yes, hello. We are in family reunion in Las Vegas. With me is João Passos from KW Portugal. João, you were one of the top producers in a former company in Remax,
Hmm.
Portugal. You were already 18 years in the business.
14.
14,
Yeah, I
sorry,
was 14 years.
in the business. And I wanted to ask you because you had already a big and successful business. Uh, what was the thing that motivated you to look for another opportunity and you decided then for KW?
KW. So I had a fairly big team, about 19 people
Huh?
when we moved. 2022 was a really good year for us. We reached 1 million in GCI.
Oh,
And, at, during 2022, we had some difficulties with changes in the brand. So the brand Remax, instead of focusing on the agents and their work with the clients, so it's for me all about the client
yeah.
service. They started to do some problems with sharing the properties with other agencies. So at the end of the day, we reached a point where there was two things that were bad for us. One, we could not put the clients in first place,
Yeah.
and second, uh, we had grown from a solo agent into a team and a business,
Yeah.
and there was no help on how to run a business. Agents usually start working alone, and then hopefully their business starts to grow, and then you want to have a business. And I didn't know how to run a business, what was important or not, and Remax wasn't giving me the tools
Mm.
and the knowledge to go to that next stage.